My motor's knocking hard tonight. Guess that service engine light was right on my dashboard. I stopped to check under the hood, but all I see is bad and nothing good. I think I blowed it up. An old man turned and said, "Hey you, here's some starting fluid you can use. It's gonna take a lot for me to crank it up. It's turning over good, so I guess nothing is stuck. I burnt the rings in my Acura. It's gonna take a lot to fix the things that I tore up."